Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I am going to be giving you guys 30 different ideas of things you can do for your birthday during this pandemic. So I know a lot of people's birthdays are happening right now, and you can't really go to restaurants, you can't go to like bowling alleys, and you can't really have a party. So I thought I would brainstorm a lot of ideas that you guys can do for your birthdays, or if someone you know is having a birthday, like your family or something like that. I know my birthday is coming up, and my brother just had a birthday, and so I thought this would be kind of a helpful video, so let's get into it. Okay, number one is do a family photo shoot, and this is really fun if you like to do photography and just take some fun photos to remember this time. And for that photo shoot, you can do hairstyles on each other, or watch some video ideas on hairstyles that you can do for that family photo shoot. Try on old outfits. Look at old photos. It can be old photos of you, or your baby photos, or your family's baby photos. You can decorate cupcakes, and you can go to the store, well, for some people, so you can get some really fun stuff and decorate a cupcake. You can make a bird feeder to feed birds. You can have a super fun birthday picnic outside or in your backyard. You can get food at a restaurant to go or delivered. And then you can make it feel like a formal, like high-class restaurant for your birthday by using that food you got from the restaurant and just like making your house look like a formal restaurant. You can do a movie night. You can have a family board game night. You can bake a cake from scratch or not from scratch. You can go on a bike ride. You can drive around and look at houses in your neighborhood, or just stop and say hi to your neighbors by driving around, which is always really fun to see people. You can order pizza and have a pizza night. You can call up friends and have them wish you a happy birthday, or just talk to them if you're bored. You can call up your relatives. You can have your family or friends or parents to hide your birthday gifts around the house or around outside in your front yard, backyard. You can make a blanket for it. You can make a homemade card for a relative or someone that you haven't been seeing really often during this time, and just make them a really cool card. It's always fun to do something really cool for someone else on your birthday. You can go to the grocery store and pick out something really special for your birthday if you can go. You can read a book or with your family, or like do a read aloud thing, like that type of thing. That's always fun. If it is someone else's birthday, you can make them a super cool handmade birthday card. There's a lot of awesome tutorials out there on YouTube. Those are always really fun to make a handmade birthday card for someone else. You can customize a device for your liking, like phone case. I don't know, that's just always fun, and it's just something fun you can do on your birthday. You can upcycle old clothing. You can look up your birthstone. You can dress up like your birthstone, or find something that resembles your birthstone around your house or something. You can make up several different names that you wouldn't have mind getting named that, but like this is not meant to like be unhappy about our names, just something I came up with. Please don't be mad at me. You can play Would You Rather. You can try and recall yours or others' past birthdays, like what you did, what you got, like how old you turned. You can try out a recipe. You can make a time capsule. And the last one that I personally like the most is have your family say one thing they like about you, and you kind of go around like, that's what my family does. Like if it's my brother's birthday, then all of us will say one thing we like about him. And I think this is something that you can do for your birthday that's really cool and really meaningful, and it makes you feel appreciated. So that is my last one. Alright guys, that is basically it. I hope I helped you out with some cool birthday ideas, or maybe gave you some ideas for something really cool that you can do for your birthday. And if yours or someone else's birthday is coming up, happy birthday. It's gonna be a time to remember this time. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Ow, my elbow. Because I love talking to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.